Ooh. Spooky, y'all. Happy Halloween. Would you like something to drink? Let's do a drink today, y'all. We are doing a spooky Shirley Temple. And you know what a Shirley Temple is, right? That's when you almost have the drink just right. You pass it out to the kids, and then you finish yours later. Shirley Temple, spooky style, y'all. This is very easy. Start with your favorite drink. I like to use clear in this, and you'll see why in a minute. We have ginger ale, or if you want to use like a lemon lime soda. I'm gonna fill this up to just about the top. Now you're thinking, what makes this spooky? Well, one thing is that I'm telling you that it's spooky. And another thing is, I have this toothpick that has a spooky pumpkin on it. I need 2 cherries, or we're gonna call these dragon's eyes today. Look how cute that is. But before we do that, this is really the big part of this drink. You can go to the hobby store or a Halloween store and you can find syringes. You know, people do drinks out of these days, but it's gonna be really cool in our drink. I've got some grenadine and our numbers on here. I'm gonna put 15 milliliters. Ooh, that looks spooky. Now this is our drink garnish, so this goes straight into our drink. And then we have our Halloween pumpkins. So this is actually how you serve it. And then when it's time, ooh, you can inject your grenadine into your drink. And look how cute that is. Your kids are gonna love it. Davis, our 5-year-old, Halloween is his favorite holiday ever. And he starts decorating in September. So we have decorations up from the middle of September until about the second week of November. Davis cannot shake it. So anything Halloween for your littles is super fun.
What's Davis gonna be this year?
Davis is gonna be the cutest pie in the case, the same thing he is every year. I think he's gonna be an Ender Dragon this year. If you want to turn it into a craft, you could actually make toothpick toppers with your kids. They can decorate their own. This would be perfect for an October birthday, or if you're just sitting around and you're thirsty. Find yourself some spooky glasses, and cheers. Man, that's delish. I'm gonna put my cherries down in here. Davis's favorite thing is Halloween. And my favorite thing is fixing things for Davis. Spooky, y'all. Ooh. Happy Halloween. This is a good drink. I'm Jamie Deen. See y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.